What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about KASPA, and Kasplex has released a new roadmap for 2024, and that is what I want to go over. If you look here in June, which is next month, by the way, KRC 721 protocol and by KRC 20/KRC 721 with KASPA and other proposals. I'm not sure what those are going to be. Roadmap only goes through June, but June seems to be the month where smart contracts are actually going to be implemented and actually going to come out of beta and be on the live market where people can buy, trade, and projects are going to be able to build, and things are going to get crazy and spicy. So I am interested in actually seeing what kind of projects are going to start building on KASPA. They're going to need some decentralized exchanges, some DEXs, to start off with, I believe, because we're going to need some sort of mechanism to trade back and forth between and in and out of, KRC 20 tokens. There will be some meme coins. I'm almost positive there's going to be some other innovative type projects, I'm sure, building or going to start building on top of KASPA. And I think we need some DEXs in order to facilitate trades back and forth, just like every other, blockchain and project has built on top of them. This is really great news because of how quick this is going to happen. The price for KASPA is looking extremely bullish because in order for people to buy these new projects that are and trade these new projects that are going to be built on top of the KASPA block DAG, they're going to need KASPA in their wallet in order to facilitate those trades and buy and sell and all that kind of good stuff. So it's just going to increase the volume, in theory, of KASPA being, bought and sold on the market. And I think providing they actually hit this June timeframe, I think that is going to be a massive bullish catalyst for KASPA and the price of KASPA moving forward. So if we look over here in May, the month that we're currently in, closed beta, which I believe is just them beta testing the protocol and the tokens and the KRC 20 in general, on a closed beta source so that they can perfect it, publish a white paper, Kasplex community, and an open source indexer. It looks like they haven't checked off any of these boxes yet, but we, aren't even halfway through May yet, so they've got plenty of time. This over here in June, though, is what really catches my attention, and it's actually pretty impressive that they are going to roll this out as fast as they are going to roll this out. I was expecting this to actually happen next cycle, and they are fast tracking this for this cycle, and I think that it adds a whole new dimension, obviously, to the project, but the price potential for the top of the cycle just got, a lot higher as far as potential moving forward. So make sure that your bags are packed, because I don't think we have that much time left. I think we've got this summer potentially, and that might be it. So you want to make sure your bags are packed and you're on the train before it leaves the station. Also, if we come over here to Kaspalytics, we've got we just hit the 30% mining in Rust nodes. And if you don't know the difference between this, Go is the programming language that they started out and are technically currently using, but they are transitioning into the Rust programming language slowly over the next, if this continues at the same rate, and we get about 20% per month, it's going to be about August before it's completely 100% in the Rust programming language. And I think this is also a very bullish thing because Solana is also uses the Rust programming language, and it just allows for the familiarity with creating a smart contract and building smart contracts, building other projects on top of the block DAG, because KASPA is a block DAG, not a blockchain. It allows for that familiarity, and potentially having developers come over from Solana to KASPA is a real possibility. If KASPA can, catch steam, sky's the limit for it, and you've already got a ton ton of developers in the space that know the Rust language and could easily move over flawlessly without any sort of learning curve at all. That's basically all I wanted to talk about today. It's just an update on the, KASPA ecosystem and KASPA in general. Don't forget that KASPA is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. The world's first block DAG. So it's the first of its kind, and this is going to be the inception point of whether we are going to see the trilemma solve, I believe. Once the smart contracts are implemented and KASPA can scale while still staying secure and not have any of the other issues that Ethereum and Solana have, being unscalable and network outages and all of the problems that come along with that. If KASPA can implement these smart contracts and it can prove that it can hit all of these factors without losing scalability, without losing security, and it can gain the adoption to where we can see a high amount of traffic in the ecosystem and it still maintains what it says it can maintain, I think we're going to have a game changer here. And, time will tell, but let's watch it play out and let's see what happens. I'm excited, and pack your damn bags before it's too late. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.